This is the EPDM. I put a little cut in it, flapped it over. You got your Fesco insulation here, and then you got styro foam underneath that, which is keeping this well insulated. So there'll be no need of spending money on insulation. But this is the purlin, run horizontal, and you can see how they run. That's your purlins, your supports underneath. Very lightweight roof that's up here now. So there'd be no need to remove this. This is just a double protection. Not only that, the insulation is still good. And then the styrofoam. And close it back up now. Squeeze it out. So now I got this back stuck well. Put a nice bead across the top, rub it in, and this will be waterproof. On the estimate, I have a notation to remove these power ventilators in the ridge vent. The reason for that is the power vents work with a thermostat, and when they kick on, it's constantly pulling air from outside with the fixed ridge. There's an opening underneath this, and it's just make a constant circulation. And usually what happens is the power vents will burn out because they're constantly running. So I would say remove that. We'll put the metal over it, take the ridge, we'll cut an 8-inch cut, be 4 inches on each side. You cut this center out, then you put what's called a low profile metal ridge vent. The heat rises up and lets the air out. The cap that's placed on here is a custom cap, and it'll come out to here. Another thing is the last panel that comes here, we put a bend in it. That way if you have a driving rain coming this way, it cannot push up and go underneath there. In between that bend and the edge of the cap, there is like a mesh. It's a thick mesh, about 2 inches thick, and it goes in between here. Air can go through it, but wasps and insects can't get in. It protects that. The thing about that, you never have to worry about replacing motors on the power ventilators. It's fixed. You don't have to worry about bearings. You put it in, you leave it.